For everything there is a time, and a season for every purpose under the heavens. A time to be born and a time to die. A time to plant and a time to uproot what is planted. A time to kill and a time to heal. A time to break down and a time to build. A time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. A time to throw away stones and a time to gather stones. A time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing. A time to seek and a time to lose. A time to keep and a time to cast away. A time to tear and a time to sow. A time to be silent and a time to speak. A time to love and a time to hate. A time for war and a time for peace. What gain has the worker from that in which he labors? I have seen the occupation that God has given to the sons of man to be occupied with. He has made everything beautiful in its time. He has also set eternity in their heart, without which man cannot find out the work that God has done from beginning to end. I know that there is nothing better for them than to rejoice and to do good in their life, and also that every man should eat and drink and see good in all his labor. It is the gift of God. I know that whatever God does, it shall be forever. Nothing can be added to it, nor anything taken from it. And God has done it, that men should fear before him. What is has already been, and what will be has already been. And God seeks what has been chased away. And further I have seen under the sun, the place of judgment their wickedness is, and the place of righteousness their wickedness is. I said in my heart, God shall judge the righteous and the wicked, for there is a time for every purpose and for every deed there. I said in my heart, regarding the matter of the sons of man, God tests them, and they see that they are but animals to themselves. For the fate of the sons of man and the fate of the beast is one fate for them. As one dies, so dies the other, and there is one spirit for all, and the advantage of man over the beast is nothing, for all is vanity. All go to one place, all are from dust, and all return to dust. Who knows the spirit of the sons of man, whether it ascends upwards, and the spirit of the beast, whether it descends down to the earth? And I have seen that there is nothing better than that a man should rejoice in his works, for that is his portion. For who can bring him to see what will be after him?